Look at all the deer outside. Oh, that one's trotting away. Look at that. That's a decent size, I guess. Look at those cool, majestic animals. Probably not fully grown, but yeah. I didn't see any bucks. Yeah, I don't shoot deer. It's a little out of place, isn't it, buddy? Mm-hmm. It's just a box. I'll be downstairs. Yeah. It's almost time for bed, buddy. Yeah, it's almost time to go to bed. Thank you all for watching, and have a good night. Bye-bye. Look who decided to follow me upstairs. Yeah. Okay, I think I'm going to hop into bed now. I'm sure followed shortly by Cinnabon.